I've got my November's Ipsy Icon Box. So if you want to see what's inside, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy.
I'm Chloe.
And Bandit's on my lap. And if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So I'm opening this in December. Full disclosure, November was really hectic. I just didn't get a lot of things done, a lot of things opened, just because there was a lot of running around. And that being said, I couldn't even write down what was in here because it's no longer on my Ipsy account thing. So we're just going to go in blind. Okay, so this was by Lisa Vanderpump. I don't even know who she is or anything about her, other than there's some show that I don't watch that she must be on. All right, here is a little peek into the box. Now, there are some add-ons in here because you get 8 items. You only get to choose 3 of those. They choose the rest. I don't know what is what. I'll be honest with you. What are you looking for?
Nothing.
Why do you have that on your shin?
I don't know.
Okay, so let's look at what is in here. I do recall choosing this, and there were a lot of great choices in this particular category, but I went with the Glow Recipe Cloudberry Bright Essence Toner because I could always use another toner, and this has vitamin C and E. It's antioxidant rich fruit fermented on this toner for enhanced absorption while brightening. It's got CoQ10, coenzyme Q10, which is a powerful antioxidant that strengthens skin while helping boost the effectiveness. Fermented rice water, and rice water helps to soothe and brighten skin and even your tone. And then oat and collagen amino acids, which are building blocks of peptides and proteins, which help support the skin's collagen to maintain hydration and keep skin soft and supple. You can use this day or night, and I always love a good Glow Recipe product.
What is Cloudberry even?
I don't know.
I don't think that's even real.
It's this thing right here. That's a cloudberry.
Never heard of it before. Ooh, the inside's pretty.
Yeah. The bottle's pretty too.
Yeah.
Which it smells nice too.
What are you doing? Very light and...
This was one of their choices for me, and this is the, I believe, this is the Tartelette Juicy palette. I mean, it may have been one of my choices, but I think it was one of their choices for me. So it's a nice neutral palette with some nice pinks and mauves and golds. Do you want to see?
Yeah, ooh, that's amazing. I like that.
All right, I believe they chose this for me, or maybe I chose it, but I think they chose it for me. It's by Amika, and it is the Hydro Rush Intense Moisture Leave-In Conditioner. And this was another item that was, I don't know, I think chosen for me. I remember specifically choosing the Cloudberry. I can tell you that for certain. This is a bronzer, blush, and highlighter palette. So, right, the maquillage.
Wow.
It's really pretty. Their highlighters are so nice. I believe this was an add-on, but I could be wrong. This is the Gloss Bomb in Fenty Glow. And then I believe they chose this for me. This is the Fresh Floral Recovery Calming Mask. Oh no, this was my boost. This was my boost. It evens skin tone and texture. All right, there's how that looks. And I believe this was my choice item. And this is the Rosie by Rosie Jane perfume. This is a full size. And I've only had this in the travel sizes. So I am very happy to get a full size. And love the scent of this. Although what it tells you is it smells like, it's a nude musk. Feels like sleeping in your birthday suit, naked and subtle.
That's kind of weird.
It is. It's kind of weird. But
Do you have one?
yeah, we like it. And then by Brogio is the Scalp Recovery or Scalp Revival. This is a rosemary pre-wash oil. Yeah, you can take that out and show them how it looks.
Oh yeah, I'm keeping this, by the way.
I knew that. That was the whole reason if I chose it for you. Merry Christmas.
Thanks. I'll pretend I don't know what this is, and you could put it in like a Christmas present for me.
Okay. By Avant, we have, I believe, did I choose this? I might have chose this. It might actually be an add-on even. I don't know.
Blush and brow serum.
It's probably not an add-on. It's a Pro Elongating Biotin Lash and Brow Serum.
Speak Love Moisture Matte Lipstick. It's in a triangle package. That's new.
All of LYS is in a triangle package.
I
think we might have this though, so we're not going to swatch it.
Alright. Oh yeah, I think I recognize it somewhere, but I like that color, so I hope we have it at home.
I think we do, so we're not going to swatch it.
One last item.
One last item.
Bobbi Brown Smoky Eye Mascara.
This was their choice for me. I do remember that. All right, and there is how that looks. And that is my icon box for the month of November, showing you guys in December. And probably by the time I get this up, it'll be like mid-December. I'll probably have my box returned by Ipsy at that point. All right, well, what was your favorite item? What was your favorite item, Chloe? Can I guess?
Yeah.
It's this.
That and the first lip gloss.
And the Fenty?
Yeah.
All right, what do you think my favorite item was?
The Cloudberry?
It is, yeah. It is, yeah. Even though I like those two palettes, it's got to be the Cloudberry.
Yeah, I was going to say that and the palette.
Yes. Yep. All right. Well, thank you so much for spending a little time with us. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully we'll see you soon.